What's up, YouTube? Andrew here. Today's going to be a really short video, but I just wanted to help some people out that I've been seeing across Reddit, Telegram, basically asking how do we redeem Bitcoin private tokens. And for those who are watching this video, so I probably don't need to explain it, although I will. Basically, if you held Bitcoin or Z Classic on February 28th at, I believe it was 12 o'clock UTC, then you're entitled for a 1-to-1 ratio of Bitcoin private to how many ever tokens you were holding. And so basically I saw a couple people on the Z Classic forums asking, well, how do I redeem it? And it's super simple. There's a GitHub link. I'll post it in the description below. And you download the wallet, the Electrum BTCP wallet, via Windows or via Mac. And once you do so, just quickly open it up and create a new wallet. Once you create that new wallet, it'll basically be asking you how to, I left it open. All right, I'm just gonna have you edit this, fuck it. So basically once you create that new wallet, have it as new, right? And then hit standard wallet. And instead of creating it with a new seed, just do the option, I already have a seed, and then take your ZCL private key, put it in there, and you will see your Bitcoin private tokens there. What I want to hear from you guys and comment below on what you guys think Bitcoin private's going to start trading at. I think it starts trading within the next couple of days. And then make sure you subscribe below. And for the lucky subscriber, I'll be doing a giveaway of Bitcoin private. Stay tuned for the next episode.
So good.